Yesterday we discussed about the vibrations and all that. Okay. Today we will discuss the sound, how sound travel in a medium. How sound travels in a medium. What do you mean by the medium? Medium means states. तो कौन सी states हैं? ठीक है. That means how sound travel in case of the solids and how in case of the gas or the liquid, solid, liquid and the gas. How sound travel in all these three states. ठीक है. In a medium. How sound travel in a medium. How sound travel through medium मतलब medium के through sound का क्या effect होता है. ठीक है. For this, the first one, solid. ठीक है. In your book, the activity is given, but the which activity is given in your NCERT? I am telling you that one also, and another one that another example I will also give. The activity that is given in your book for the case of the solid. Put your head, one of your partner, okay, from each bench, put your head on the bench. All of you, put your head, one of ear, touch your ear to the bench. Done, right? Ear touch करना है, touch your ear, you put your ear, okay? Now the another one, tap on that bench. Slowly. Okay, now listen. The activity that is given in your book, all of you can hear the sound. ठीक है, ये जान के अभी जो those who have done and are very loud, ठीक है, that we no need to do that one. What is the actually the purpose of doing this? कि when we are putting our ear near to या on the bench and the other side, if another one is tapping on that bench, ठीक है, we can hear the sound. ठीक है. This activity that is given in your book to show that how sound travels in the solids. Okay. Yesterday we discussed if we can take an example of an alarm clock also. Okay. Vibrating phone also. When we will put the vibrating phone on the bench or the table or the bed, back of the bed. Okay. So but we will listen. If the phone vibrating, the sound produced and we can easily hear that sound. हमें बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाता है the sound travel. ठीक है. So that means in case of the solid, the sound travel faster. ठीक है. We can write down this thing, sound travel faster in solids. Is it clear? Why it travel faster in case of solids? Why? Yes, because of the molecules, these are very closely packed. Okay, when the vibration starts, it immediately strike on the another molecule and goes on. आगे आगे pass on होते जाएंगे and sound travel faster in case of the solids. Is that clear? Another, can you give me the daily life experience, or you saw even in you saw in the movies also? So sometimes you saw ना कि railway track होता है, तो they are putting their ear on the railway track. Sound पता चलती है. They can used to do like this in some of the movies we had seen कि they are putting their ear over there on the track so that उनको idea लग जाता है कि the train is coming. ठीक है. Why so? अगर if we are putting our ear near to this one and we can hear that sound because the sound travel faster in case of the solid. Is that clear? ठीक है. Another activity that is given the sound travel in case of the liquids. ठीक है. अब liquids के केस में क्या है? I am having this squeaky toy. Squeaky toy means sound produce. ठीक है. No doubt हमें यहाँ पे ear में sound सुनाई दे रही है या जो है. Now how we will do it? I will put this squeaky toy in the polythene bag. ठीक है. Tie it. Right now, अच्छा, you can see na air in this, है ना? इसको भी I will explain when we will discuss the vacuum. I am just removing that air. ठीक है जी, ठीक है. Now inserting this into this is straw. Wait, I will show it to you also. ठीक है, I will show it to you also. Right, squeaky toy in the polythene bag, then insert it into the trough या bucket having water. You can do it in the at home also with bucket. Sound आ रही है? आई, लेकिन as compared to that one less. ठीक है, when we are striking it over here, we can hear the sound because it travel faster. In case of the अभी भी water is not actually the complete. ठीक है, तो when it is fully, ये देखो बबल्स तो नेचुरली एयर जो है वो हिल रही है, साउंड का डिफरेंस है. ठीक है, अच्छा, डू इट विद दिस वन. Look here, actually we did ना. आइए किसी को थोड़ी सी नहीं, कम हियर, यहाँ पास करो अपना ये. साउंड आ रही है? वेरी लाइट. ठीक है, very light sound will produce. You can do it at home also in the bucket of water, in bucket when you will put the water in that bucket, and any squeaky toy, yeah, bell, you can put the bell in the polythene bag and till it we are not able to hear the sound as that much as we can hear it on like this. ठीक है, so this is the activity. Sound travel in liquids also. हाँ जी, पास आके देखो. That's the discussion. We are discussing that point. So we are discussing as compared to the solid, it is faster than in the liquids. Sound travel in all these three mediums. Solid, liquid, gas, it will travel. But what is actually the difference? Faster, less, gases में less. ठीक है जी. अब now in case of the gases also, if we will take a small patch, ठीक है, then we can hear the sound also. This shows that sound travel in the solids, liquids and gases. ठीक है. If I am taking this bell jar, एक bell jar ले लो. Right, in this bell jar I am putting here the any alarm clock you can say, या bell रख लो, electric bell. इसको ज्वाइन कर दिया बाहर मैंने. बैटरी के साथ. ठीक है, एनी बैटरी के साथ I am just joining it. Now from this bell jar remove the air. सबसे पहले क्या करा, इसके अंदर से सारी की सारी एयर रिमूव कर. Remove the air from this bell jar. Right, after that press the button, electric bell starts. Can we hear the sound in this case? Why is no? Because there is no medium. मैंने उसमें जो air थी, that is the medium, उसको evacuate कर दिया, remove कर दिया. Can we hear that sound down? No. Press कहाँ से करोगे? When you will start the button. Alarm clock I am not putting ना, I am just taking that one. You can put the alarm clock set करके रख दो. We are not able. Here just we are putting the battery just to strike the hammer on the gong, and when we will do it, we are not able to hear the sound. Okay, that on this basis we can see the one question is there: why astronauts in moon and in the spaces we are not able to talk with one another, to communicate with one another? Okay, why we are not able to hear the sound? Because there is no air, yeah, no medium. In astronauts, when they have to talk, they are not able to talk with one another because there is no medium. Then how they communicate with one another? Radio sets. They talk or they communicate with the radio sets because radio sets can, the waves can travel in vacuum also. Yeah? Waves can travel in vacuum also. You can write down this question. Why do astronauts, yeah, why we are not here able to hear the sound in the moon, on the moon? Okay, why we are not hear the sound in space or in on moon? We can say the answer is because there is no medium. There is no medium, there is no air. So sound does not travel through vacuum. यहाँ पे आप एक और point add कर सकते हैं. Sound does not travel through vacuum. Sound does not travel through. ठीक है, यही चीज मैंने यहाँ पे बेल जार से करके बता दी कि when we will do it in the bell jar, remove or evacuate the air. इसको पूरी air को remove कर दिया. When we will strike the hammer on the gong, we are not able to hear the sound because sound does not travel through a vacuum. Vacuum means khali. Is it clear? Okay. Then how astronauts they talk with one another? They talk with the radio sets. They talk with the radio sets. Radio sets में क्या होता है? Waves. ठीक है? Radio sets, waves, and waves जो हैं that can pass through the vacuum. Clear है? ठीक है? इसके बाद a very little and small topic is there, that is the speed of sound. Vacuum. Speed of sound. That is 340 meter per second. Speed of sound is 340 meter per second. And what is the speed of light? You know? पता है किसी को? Speed of light. What is speed of sound? The sound which travels in a. Okay. The speed of sound is 340, and here it is 3 into 10⁸ meter per second. On this basis, one question or one you can correlate this with your daily life example. Why thunder is heard after flash of the light? आपको आवाज जो है बाद में सुनाई देती है because light travel faster as compared to this. ठीक है, बट इन केस ऑफ द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट साउंड, तो मीडियम के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा साउंड कैसे पास करती है. ठीक है, इट विल वेरी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मीडियम बट वी आर टेकिंग. यही हमने डिस्कस करा है ना. स्पीड ऑफ साउंड विल वेरी, बट इन जनरल वी कैन से स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इज 340 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एंड यहाँ पे यू कैन राइट डाउन वन क्वेश्चन आई थिंक इज गिवन इन अ बुक. बाय thunder is heard after flash of light. This question is clear with this exam values. Is it clear, bete? ठीक है. Sound travel faster in light.